is already shattered. Oh shoot. That was a big one. That is shattered as crap. Ouch! Yeah, this is big.
Look at this. This is what his vlog camera. This is what his vlog camera looks like, with everything on it. He needs a bigger camera for it.
Yeah.
Hey, Dad, look at this. It's not
Nice.
on. Yeah. Serious though.
Mm-hmm.
I think he needs a bigger camera with it.
Yeah. What do you think?
She's probably afraid of your camera.
Camera shot.
I know. You love me. I understand that's life. Sleeveless. Flat bill is the key. I believe I can fly.
I can barely see. There we go. That's good.
Did you hear that? She jumped off and she was like, meow. Slapped the ground. She probably fell wrong. Slap cam. Your eyes now.
Just don't look directly at it and you're fine.
Oh, cool. Did you even notice that? That's so, like, shows numbers on the back. That's so weird.
What do you shows? Yeah, that's how the level of brightness. So
I
if
know
I
it showed
turn the
that.
knob, the number goes up. It goes
How long did the battery, how long does it take for the batteries to run out on the LED?
up. Got this a few days ago, put the battery on it, hasn't died yet.
Oh, damn.
I brought another battery just in case it does though. What are you doing?
I don't know. I'm just trying to get pumped for that work. Hey, go down a little. Hey guys, what did Dad would say? I flexed so hard the sleeves fell off. Out of my room, you little. She attacked me. She's so fat. I can't get up. What happens if I let her go? She wants to say hi. Say hi to the camera. Yeet.
Mic's on now. We're probably gonna slip out here. We're headed to the gym right now. We got the LED light and the mic. We attached it at the same time. Let's get more juice because it's not bright enough. It's all the way up now. Yo, Sam's gone. Alright, do it.
Is the mic on?
Yep.
And I am.
Alright, this is gonna be funny
Oh,
as
wait,
crap.
come here. We'll do a better thing.
Alright.
Ready? Okay, chill. Wait, chill. We do this to her when she pisses us off. It's not even animal cruelty. She did the box. Alright, one more time, Kitty, and then we'll let you go, alright? Deal? Because you're being a little herd. I'm showing them the circle
Okay.
thing. Yeah, I know. I'm showing him the spin thing with the kitty. Just like
Making some French toast. It seems so much lighter now. It's the next day. I totally forgot.
We're still balling.
Yeah.
We're on that 30-day trend. I'm gonna get my boy.
I almost forgot. Bad lighting. I almost forgot that I started today's vlog yesterday. So I almost did like a normal intro. So we're about to go to the gym after we're done eating.
Gotta eat that.
We're gonna try and run 3 miles on the treadmill and do some ab
Hey
workouts.
Mickey, what are we about to eat?
French toast, I already said that.
No, what are we about to eat? Breakfast.
Yeah. I forgot what I was talking about. No. Oh yeah. And Sam said he's gonna try and drink a whole gallon of water
Every day.
every day. How's it been working for you so far?
Been working okay.
Yeah. Alright, it's been a couple hours since I recorded something. We got back from the gym a little while ago. I think there's something on my lens. I'll take care of that in a second. My battery's about to die, but we're about to head to the park and destroy the old camcorder and Sam's old Xbox 360. So you can look forward to that. Alright, we're about to do the destruction. Which one are we doing first? Alright, we're doing the Xbox first. So let's...
I've been waiting for this for a long time.
Alright, so we'll set my camcorder up.
Just watch me miss the first time. Just videotape, won't take turns.
Let's set this up somewhere too so we can get...
There's nowhere to set it up, there's snow everywhere. Just hold it.
The 60 FPS angle. Here we go.
3, 2. That felt really good, bro. Yo. I guess you're up next.
Alright, here we go. So we got done with the destructions a little while ago. We've been messing around with the snowballs, and you will have seen the destructions at the beginning of this video. So, Sam took a bag, filled it with snow, and then he threw it. It hit the ceiling there. It like stayed there for a second. Then the snow and the bag came down, landed in that trash can. It was like the dopest thing ever.
Through the window in the trash can.
Yeah, they have little holes in the side. It's like it looks like a window, but there's no glass in it, so we've been throwing snowballs through them. My mom should be here to pick us up in a few. Alright, that's gonna wrap up today's vlog. I put up some hats. All my hats are lined up there. So I thought that would look cool. I hope you guys enjoyed the destructions. Took a lot of work to edit those. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the like button. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.